Hey shooters, this is Todd Woodard at Gun Test Magazine. We're going to take a closer look at the rugged suppressors Surge 7.62, which we used in a recent test of 300 AAC Blackout and 308 Winchester rifles. So we'll just start with what's in the box and take it from there. Let's see what's in the box. Directions, the suppressor, and a tool. Oh, stay there. So we'll set the directions aside, take a look at the suppressor itself. So this tool removes the end caps, just screws off the body like that. And there's a detailed look at it. Pretty straightforward. We've actually shot this suppressor, so it's dirty. But this end cap can be exchanged for a 5.56. I think Silencer Shop lists them for 60 bucks. And that's probably worth doing, because if you get a 308, shoot it on your AR-10, and you change the end cap, then you can put it on your AR-15 and shoot subsonic with it and really have a nice pairing of utility. This device can be shot at two lengths. This is the full 9-inch length, but this front section comes off. And the end cap can be put on this part, and then you have a 7-inch suppressor in case you have a longer barrel or you have a gun that doesn't require as much suppression. Goes on the rifle with these 5/8 by 24 threads, and it just threaded on our test guns really simply. We found out that it was easier to put them on with the guns more near vertical than it was to try to put the suppressor on like this. Length and everything else, it was kind of tough to get it threading sometime, but not that hard. And so you thread all the way down on the barrel, and then once it's all the way down on the threads, use that locking collar to turn it, and you're ready to go. Really a simple device. I think this is $992 as it stands at Silencer Shop, but you can call them or log online and see more at on their online site. But we had good luck with this. Really suppressed the subsonic stuff well, and we had absolutely no trouble. So we're sorry to see it go. This is Todd Woodard with Gun Test Magazine. We'll see you at the range.